To begin editing and adding pages, select Pages from the Home menu. Each template comes with its unique demo content that makes building your website easier. If you click on a demo page, you can either copy its entire page or remove all demo content. You can also remove pages by hovering over the title and clicking the trash can icon that appears. If you ever want to restore a page you've removed, simply click on the trash can icon below your navigation. This will open the recycle bin where you can restore any page you've removed within the past 30 days. Now let's finish this basic site layout with an additional gallery page of product photography and a bio page with contact information. To add a new page to your site, click the plus icon next to the main navigation heading. Once you select the gallery page and name it, click inside the dashed box to upload images. You can change the image order by clicking and dragging them. By clicking the gear icon above each image, you can add image titles and descriptions. You can also edit a page's settings by hovering over a page title and clicking the gear icon. Here, you can alter the navigation title that appears in the navigation bar, the page title that appears in the top of the browser window, and the page description. The description is optional. However, having one improves your SEO. Scroll down to find the page password field. You can also create and customize a password page for your entire site. This is located in the Security section of the Settings panel. Now, let's add a standard page as our company bio. It'll have an image, text, and a form for visitors to contact us. When a regular page is added, you can use one of our professionally designed starter layouts with pre-arranged placeholders. These layouts are built for specific purposes and can be rearranged as needed. Let's choose the About page. While editing this page type, you have the option to add many of Squarespace's content blocks by clicking an insert point. To name just a few, there's the video block for embedding external videos, a map block for sharing your physical location, and a search block for visitors searching through your site's content. We'll first fill out the page's default text block and page title. Upload an image to the image block and move it by clicking the edge. We can place the image in its own column or float it within the text. We'll add the form block for visitors to contact us, edit the information requested, and how we're notified of form submissions. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.